Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and today guys I am here to get an update on Mr. Smith's house. Mr. Smith is not here as yet. This is the second time I am coming to him and he's not home, but I made a call and he said that he's on his way. So in the meantime, this is currently what the house looks like. It's almost in the same way that I left it, you know, before I went off into the hospital, but it started painting. All right, in regards to the painting guys, on the outside you notice that we're painting in blue, but right here we're going to paint in white. And yeah, the columns will be in white. It's not completed as yet. The men, they were supposed to come yesterday to finish up for me, but they did not get the chance to, and however I have to rent like a generator in order to get them to do the painting. So this is the blue. They said that they're going to put on another coating. This side is not done as yet, so they said that they're going to put on another coating of the blue on the outside, then they do the white, and then on the inside would be completed. So we're just happy that that is done so far. All right, this side is done as well with the blue, but it's just to get it to be completed. So this is where they left off with the painting guys. The blue is pretty. I love it. I love the blue that they're using on the house. That was a blue that was purchased, and we're just indeed grateful. So that is the color so far. So they have the house left to be completed, to be spray painted in order to complete and see. So I'm just waiting on Mr. Smith to see what is on the inside so that we can do the update now and move on. So Mr. Smith is here guys. How are you?
Fine, miss.
Fine, miss. How has your time been, you know, without seeing me for so long? How has everything been?
Yeah, I mean, yes, give Father God thanks for miss.
You have to thank God.
Yes, ma'am. We are alive and yes, Tania there, ma'am. Enough people can pass and gone and then Tania there again, miss. Yes, miss.
That is so true.
Yes, miss.
Alright, so I want to come now to do the update to see, you know, where I left off, because I know say it was so difficult to monitor from within. And when I was in there, only the painting we could have get started.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican, me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Alright, so guys, Mr. Smith's house. Ooh, the paint the men are using to paint. Yes, I need to let you know. I saw your bed high, sir.
I see you, miss. I see miss.
You must put the next one, Panny.
Miss, put this one, Panny.
So it just look like you have one in one queen size bed. How are them here?
This chair, man. This chair.
The bed high up, man.
This chair, miss.
Let me see this. So this is a mattress. Guys, you can just look at this brief video and to see when the mattress was delivered. Alright?
Why? Thank you, miss.
Yeah. For the mattress, you have to thank Miss Joyce. Tell her.
We have to know, miss. Please and thank you, Miss Joyce. Please and thanks, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
And God bless you, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am. Please and thank you, Miss Joyce. And God bless you, ma'am.
Alright, thanks.
Yes, and I beg the good lotion, miss.
But you're so cool and nice.
I beg the good lotion, miss.
Lotion?
I beg the good lotion, miss. One. Where you miss? Miss.
Me not fall down.
I have to drop you, miss. I tell you, I beg the good lotion, miss. You could get one tank, miss.
Oh, donations. Oh, donation for the tank.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
You see like when water gone from the pipe now, miss. But the water we drink and cook the food. So when I become good donation, miss, we get a tank, miss. When you rain fall with the gutter, when you rain fall in the tank,
Yes.
it's a cool water, miss. Find it, miss. So when I run a pipe, ma'am. When you left on work, I went there, miss, go straight to the bathroom.
Oh, where you carry the water from?
I can't find the pipe, miss.
Okay, you carry from the pipe.
Sometimes water gone, miss. This pipe, let's say you should be. Sometimes water gone, miss. You have to get the water from it, it's people yard, miss.
Yes.
So I have a donation, miss.
Donation.
Donation, you get a tank, miss.
Yes.
Put up, miss.
Yes.
Call me. You sit up.
So guys, if there is anyone out there who can assist Mr. Smith with a tank, it would be truly appreciated. All right.
You get full on tanks, miss, when I help me out with the tank, miss.
Yes, the assistance would be really appreciated.
Because I go down the pipe down, so I wait till one vehicle come. We get the water from the pipe, and I get 2 jugs down the pipe, we get the water. One for flush out bathroom, and one for cook and drink it.
Okay. All right, so the tank is on the list.
And Peter and Mary, thanks for much as you, miss.
Oh, yes, it's Miss Joyce, right?
Miss Joyce.
Miss Joyce has contributed. Miss Joyce really wanted you to know that you get the mattress, and then the rest of the funding for the mattress came from Mr. Barrington.
Yes, miss.
So she sent a contribution.
Please thank you, Miss Joyce. I'm Mr. Barrington.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You're not to sir, so no, sir. You have to tell them thanks to my to sir. All right, sir.
Yes. But so far we're happy, guys, with the house, and we were planning on putting the linoleum on the floor. But what I'm looking at, the floor can operate just like this, you know.
Miss, you only get a miss. You this a miss, you polish the miss. This a polish the miss. I use miss.
Oh, you polish the floor. That's why it looks smooth, so.
I polish use miss.
Yeah, the floor looks smooth and.
So use the polish miss.
Yeah.
Use the polish on miss. All right. Let me have a map, miss. Put it on it, ma'am. So I polish the floor now, ma'am. Shine it up, ma'am.
Yeah.
So you polish the floor now. You polish the floor now, miss. Make it dry, miss. So me dry now, miss. The skin of everybody come here and see me.
Yeah.
Me get this now, miss. Me get this now, miss.
And what that? Oh, if you clean the bathroom.
This is what was
It came in the barrel?
No, miss. This is not clean anybody, miss.
Oh.
I see me see the school now, upon miss. I need to go. So I wash me tell miss. Anybody want to go?
Oh God.
So me wash the outside one in. Alright.
So you want me put that panic in something so you see it down at school and take you out? No, sir.
Is that no miss? What is that one or two miss?
Oh, you clean out that one.
So remember they come nice. You have to come use it, miss.
Which one?
When somebody go in like say somebody come use it. Anybody want to use it, then use that one out for me. They come now.
How them I gonna use the one out here, sir? Me not understand. Me not understand. If somebody come to your house and need a bathroom to be used, they must use this one?
No, miss, me make you use the one in this, we can use the one in this.
Because in there would be more private and people need private. You can't make people come sit down out there so and expose themselves.
No, miss. Because you see, you just come and what is Miss Pay. Come you show something, miss. Make sure you already, miss.
Oh, I hold they can nearly in this something.
Mr. Paul, miss. Mr. Paul, no, Mr. Paul, no, miss. Well, I tell you, I don't know. Right, I'm going through this, miss.
Oh, so you know how nothing can stuff up here? Climb up on here and stuff, you just want...
In Canada, come, miss. You can't let 3 man then come idea, miss.
Yeah.
You can't let come, miss. And when you can't let come, miss. When you can't let come, miss, you just put this on, miss.
Oh, so but him board it up more because the last time I leave here that never board up.
No, miss.
So him put it way up is just forget. You can't just stuff something right in there, you know.
Yes, miss.
Something can stuff right in there. So I see come and fix the board them. So thanks Mr. Powell for come and fix the board them for me.
Yes, miss.
Mm-hmm.
3 man then come idea.
He not even fix them so good because he nail them just catch. Like he just catch nail them. Find the thing. Oh, the one that need for nailing. Me, I wonder if he never assist so well. At 19 come nail it up. In 19 they come. Oh, when they did I spray the paint. Oh, in a night part because the guy them said they leave here in the evening. So in a night part he come that's in no say some I board them no board good.
We can't go Mr. Paul again, miss. Because Mr. Paul doing miss, in the right thing we want to do, miss.
But the blue is nice though.
Yes, ma'am.
I love the blue. It's nice, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
A nice blue and then when the white go up and you just sell it off.
Generator man, you say him come and I wait for the man if you come finish.
In the walk with the generator?
Yes, ma'am. He come and you see the man.
But may have to go get them to come next time because it's difficult for me get them to come and finish up the painting. Because sometimes they have other things to do, it's just hard. But them are going to come. Them not give me the other date it. When they will be coming.
I think one number if you call him when
me have a number, you know.
I want money and guy, miss.
Me have a number, so what me I go do? Me I go reach out to him when me thing there. When me ready, me I go reach out to him.
Yes, miss.
And tell him say the guy them I go come XYZ so that he can be prepared and wait upon them. So
yes,
that are the least. The greatest thing is on the inside here.
Yes,
and the greatest thing is on the inside. Them I go come and do the painting.
yes,
and spray paint. You know, said those strip was to go into the ceiling, and then Mr. Powell said that them a type of strip not go in a ceiling. No, that's why I leave them and don't put them up.
Anywhere you go, Miss Price, me tell you on the street, man. Anywhere you go, Miss Price, it cheap go up in a ceiling, Miss.
Yes, that's why I leave the strip them here. But me can't make the guy put it up for me, you know.
Me no come to it.
When they come, because me the one then come for we go through and so because you forget Mr. Powell never come put in the sink. The kitchen sink, and then if you make one little cupboard did for make where you store the things them.
Yes,
like put the things them up and one little something right here so where you can put your plate them pan and all of that. Right? And then you need the curtains. This is not curtain. This is a shower curtain lady send can give you. No, me go buy some curtain.
I think it's bad.
A shower. Oh, this is a curtain. This is a shower curtain too, you know. Yes. So what the plastic what she sent can give you? The plastic shower curtain. Oh, so I go try and get the person put up the thing so you put on the plastic and seal off there so.
Yes,
but remember so them I go spray it in here too.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, let me talk about some miss. Let me talk about some miss. Make it water from some miss. I'm good, miss. When you water flash, you take flash back.
That's why I say I put up a little thing so you can draw the curtain.
Can put here some miss?
Yes, I put it across.
Up some miss.
I don't know how tall I go put it. You see the same guy where do the painting?
Yes, miss.
And him I go fix it.
Alright, miss. Thank you, miss.
The same guy where do the painting, it's just the time for finish up.
Yes, miss.
So while I do the painting, I go do the connection, put up that and put up the shower curtain.
Yes, miss.
Alright guys, so this is the update so far. So Mr. Semeter, only them area have leave out of the things them where you get?
Yes, when you cook some patio, miss. The day me cook, miss.
Yeah, so guys, Miss Dolores, she had sent some things for Mr. Smith. Why you do break one of the cup over there, sir?
I just pick up Miss Price. And
it break. So she had sent some pots, clothes, shoes. Where you clothes them there? Oh, you put them in there? Clothes, shoes, food items. What else she did send?
So mackerel, miss.
Yeah, she sent a lot of things. She sent it from Canada. Thank her.
And thank you, miss. Right now, miss. Right now, miss. Father God pray for everything. Father God pray for everything for me, miss. So, miss.
Miss Dolores.
Good morning, ma'am. Have a good evening. Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for something coming in, miss. I know, miss. I put on my pot pan for you, miss. I put on my pot pan for you, miss. Thank you for pot.
So she sent a lot of rice. You still?
Yes, miss. Still a rice, miss. I know miss still a rice cook, miss. Yes, miss.
Enough things she sent, man. Tablecloth.
Tablecloth and everything, miss.
Lotion, soap,
everything, miss. Toothpaste, everything.
Yeah.
And thank you everything you sent for me, miss. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright then, so I'm going to end the live here. This is an update on Mr. Smith. The next update, I'm hoping that we're finished where we can do a handing over. And all of that. So yeah. But guys, this is actually where we are. So the greatest thing is that Mr. Smith got his mattress where he can sleep on his bed that he has here.
Miss, you know, so this man, one coworker come in, me not come out with my miss.
If you not come out,
come out with my miss. Just a miss, you know, comfortable last night, miss.
Oh, bed did nice.
Yes, miss. You know what you got with man? I talk about this man.
What? You sleep good in your bed.
Yes, miss. Can we lucky do miss? I cheat on my bed, miss.
Yes, love your bed, man. Make you sleep nice.
And miss, thank you, miss. Yes, thank you very much, miss. Get that, miss.
Yes. Alright, so what you want now is just the tank, and we try and work on putting in the cupboards.
Miss,
and the sink. You know, so I'm not sure how the guy I go look on it. The same painting person is going to finish up everything. You know, hear me say me not know. When the guy come, the one where do the painting, and him going to finish up everything. He going to look at what is this to be finished up and say, alright, you need one more plyboard, we get the one plyboard. You need this, you get that. Whatever it is needed for him to finish up, I'm just going to get it and then finish up, and then that's it. So me just have to wait on him when I see him, and then now we can do that. He come here this morning? Oh. No, him never. The one where you see yesterday, him did fi come early. Him did fi come early, come go and work, and then the other one from Kingston was at work. So he could come at that time. So because me would have waste money if me go pay the generator man for 2 hours, that no make no sense. So when me have to do now, I wait until then can come back in the day. And when you pay that the $6,000 now, you know, so you do it for the day. But when you lose, you pay $6,000 for 2 hours. Yeah, so it's costly. So it could have been done yesterday.
Generator man, you come and see them, miss. In here, when we couldn't get no generator man, we go to Miss I say, why, paying one name, but down.
Yeah.
So I say, alright. I go, I come and go down there, so I see this bit away, I sell the water, and then I say, I say, you know, generator. They want to look at the generator friend, they say, yes. They want to see man, they say, come on, come do the man them.
Oh, so him come. And him a lend it to us now?
Yes, miss.
Oh, good.
So, me him and the man talk. Me and the man don't talk. And we lift in this for me.
Yes.
You go to the business and talk on this when you say, miss. Come up on this and this. And you go one side when you go and talk. So when you go and talk, don't know, you come back this way. and sit with them and do it.
Well, it'll help you out a lot. So it's just that we need the people doing the painting is just the timing. So hopefully finish up by next week and then everything will complete. But the greatest thing you're moving at your house, don't it?
I'm comfortable in bed, miss. I'm going easy, miss.
Comfortable in your bed.
Yes, miss. And nobody will call me and say, boy, yeah, you go down and walk.
Guys, what is happening is that Mr. Smith, he appreciates his bed, his mattress. Is a mattress he might call the bed, you know? Not true.
Yes, miss.
He appreciates his mattress, you know? So that he sleeping comfortable.
Miss, nobody can give me some quote and yard, no quote and yard, but you know, miss. Oh, I'm busy and thank you, no.
Mr. Smith, you really love your bed.
Miss, when you have a home, miss, when you have a house, miss. When you have a house, miss, and you have strong yard, you don't pay for rent, miss. Things are easy, miss. You live with people, and people take and say, come out of me, boy, this and that, come out of here. When you have your roof over your head, miss. And when you can't just come out of here, don't come out of your house.
So you're not paying a rent and you have a roof over your head right now.
Miss, I'm telling you this, you know, miss. I'm telling you this. Yes, so go on. And I beg you. Say, boy, I'm going to help me, brother. And the other person say, boy, my youth, I can't help the body. I can't help you do one association in my youth.
Can't help where? Pan the house?
I go to foundation there. Every time I see man, I help you, help me go to foundation. Man, say, boy, I mean.
Nobody now. Hi, how are you? How you look sexy, so I want going in the evening, yeah? Eh? No, you look different. I walk, I come down. So, that's why I say anything you're doing involve money, because when we inquire about the first people to paint the place, I thought they would paint it for free, but it involved money. So everything, if you can't pay somebody, you can't get the work done. You can't get it done. It's like everybody think about money. What are the people say?
I put down here, miss. You can't butcher, miss. You can't butcher.
Who?
You can't butcher, miss.
One name butcher?
You can't cook, miss. Miss?
You want to go on it?
No, miss.
Oh. One name butcher?
I tell him, I miss him, I can't go.
Oh, you're pregnant?
No, miss.
Oh.
You fat, miss.
Fat, miss.
Well, see me how want to. But it
I don't know if you do take off this, yeah.
exercise. We do some good exercise. Okay guys, so this is the first update. Since I've been out, I have to come to see Mr. Smith to see what is happening so that I can do what I have to do to complete what is happening. What had happened is that the mattress was purchased and it was delivered, and then now we're trying to source some funding for the drum and a kitchen sink and maybe a plyboard to make a counter and so on. So that is what we're basically working towards right now in order to complete the flooring. For me, it's good because when I'm walking on the flooring, you don't have to put any linoleum over it, because he's polishing it, so it give it a smooth feel. It give it a shine. Yes, so the flooring is fine. The flooring is fine. What else, Mr. Smith? May they talk about the drum?
Yes, mate. You talk about the drum, miss. But you want something we put over a bathroom like I want. When can you again, man?
You want a shower curtain shower?
No, man.
No, shower curtain. They come in a barrel.
Yeah, shower curtain, man. I want see where can I miss one.
What, the piece of stick? No, man. The guys them can just use a board. I mean, tell us iron not have to go up there, you know. Oh. Then you can just put a piece of board and put on the curtain and you draw it.
Hold on, that's miss.
Just not pop it down.
No, miss, me not pop it down, miss.
Oh, as long as you take care right, it can last.
Me not pop it down, miss.
No, I'm throat to scratch me.
You finished, miss?
So, the sink and the sink and something pick up on it, shower can pick up on it, like some board pick up on it.
Alright. So guys, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.